What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we got another Fox body for you, so let's go. Alright, so we just picked up another Fox body. It's loaded in the trailer. We're on our way home, and I'm really excited about this one because this one is for Sally. She's going to dictate the build. Sally hasn't seen it yet, but I really think she's going to like it. It's a low mileage, one owner, fully loaded 1990 GT with the AOD, which is perfect for her. So I'm very close to home, and I'll see you guys when I get there. We're losing daylight quickly, and so I may do the walk around tomorrow. Hey, will you stay still? I'm trying to catch up to you. Those mud flaps gotta go. Okay, so what do you think?
It's super clean. Huh? Oh my god, it's super clean. Like, it's really clean. And the radio.
All right, it's the next day, guys, and I'm gonna do the walk around inside the garage. It's currently winter time here and snowing as we speak, so I'll do the best that I can with it being under the hoist, but you'll get a really good sense of the car. I'm gonna flip the camera around and let's have a look. Here's Sally's new Fox. It's a 1990 fully loaded GT with an AOD and a factory installed sunroof. It's super clean, guys. It's actually still in the original owner's name, so one owner car. It has 55,000 kilometers, so that would be 34,000 miles. It's pretty much all original. The only two things that I have seen that have been switched is the rad has been changed at some point, and it does have some Flowmaster 44 mufflers on it. The hood's popped already, so we can check out the motor. But from what I can see on the outside, everything is 100% original. I guess looking at the paint, it doesn't look like it's ever been cut, polished, or ceramic coated, so that will be something we'll look at. It's even got some really old school mud flaps that say Mustang on it. Really cool. The interior is phenomenal. The doors are nice and tight. Everything is bone stock in here. Carpet is super clean. Interior is spotless. There's not even any, oil or nothing on the headliner. The inside, in my opinion, is a 10. The doors are nice and tight. Everything feels new in the car. Come over to the motor. There we go. I can't put on the hood latch. I don't have the clearance, so I just gotta kind of hold it. But as you guys can see, super clean in here. Does have an aluminum rad, like I said, and everything's in place. You got your fender stickers there, all your VIN numbers, your airbox. I still see the cone, the silencer under the airbox, rubber boot. Yeah. Well, obviously, I forgot to mention the battery's been changed too. So we'll change that. It's got a GM battery in there. I've done nothing to it. The only thing I did do was remove the antenna. The stock antenna, was a rubber bending is obviously really big, so it was bending a along the hoist, but well documented. We have all the original bill of sale and all the documents that came with the car. So overall, it's an exceptional car, and for Canada, it's getting very difficult to find a car, a Fox body this clean up here. I think that's about it, guys. We talked about the motor, the exterior, the interior, the underside is the exact same. Great addition to our Mustangs. So we currently have this one. Our Termy is still up here having its snooze, and we still have Mr. 4i on the other side here. All right, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, we got a visitor. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Looking forward to seeing what Sally would like to do to it. We're not going to do nothing crazy, nothing that's going to affect the integrity of the car. Obviously, we're going to keep all the stock parts for any little bolt-ons that we do or that Sally chooses to do. Other than that, don't forget to check out our merch store if you're interested in supporting the channel further. Don't forget to check out our channel membership as well. And that's it. So we appreciate you guys watching. You guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. We appreciate all your support and watch time, and we'll see you again here on DaFox.